Activities engaged during active leisure. We said what activities? I told you, like playing various games. Which games can you play? Basketball, football, rugby, hockey. Which other games? Handball, swimming. Swimming is a sport, yes. Volleyball. Trooper. Video games are active or passive? They are passive. No, it depends. If it is a VR, it is active. VR is active. Hey! It is active and scary. Yes, I tried. I couldn't. There was a roller coaster or something, and I'm scared of heights. Yes. So there is also, you can have an example of active activity is digging. When you go to dig in the shamba, you can do that in your free time. And that is active leisure that is active. Also jogging, if you're jogging or you're running, or athletics, cycling, singing, dancing, those are active leisure activities. So, because now you know about active leisure, what are the advantages of active leisure? It enables you to exercise your talent. If you're good at singing, you can be able to exercise that talent of yours. If you're good in playing football, you're able to exercise your God-given talent. Also, it helps you to socialize. Which type of leisure, active leisure activity that helps you to socialize? Yes? Games, all sports activities. If we are going to maybe to go play rugby, we have first to meet, yes? And we talk how we are going to have the two teams. Yes, and when we are resting, if we are going to, it is half time, there is a game plan. We have to talk, yes? We say you are doing this, you should do this, you should go to that corner. So that is socialization. Also, it strengthens relationship, because now you have to be, almost all the active leisure activities, they involve other people, you mingling with other people. Therefore, you strengthen your relationship as you're playing. There is also, it helps you develop your body. That's why we keep on telling you during games time, can you go for cross country? It is going to help your body to enable your body to feel active. And you won't be able, because it's building your stamina, you won't feel sleepy in the morning. Even if yesterday, let's say yesterday you usually extend up to what time? 10:30. Yes, the others who are going to 11, or you even go to bed and start reading with a torch. If you are like that, even if you wake up in the morning at 4 or 3, you won't feel sleepy, because you have the stamina. Your body is what? You have body strength because of getting involved in these active leisure activities of what? Like playing football or running. You also, it enables you to participate in your favorite sport or your favorite activity. Most people love dancing. I see when music is put there, you want to dance. So it enables, that's some of the favorite activities of some of you. So you're able to enjoy it. Also, if your active leisure, your active leisure is maybe, it's called what? Where you go to Nini Mountains. It's called what? Hiking. Yes, it's hiking. You're able to discover new places. Because as you're hiking, I don't know why lately this school doesn't hike. Why don't you hike? Huh? Poor management. You all have views. Huh? You just find your own club, and then you have a teacher, and then you tell that teacher we are going to go to hike, yes? And then you